If memorizing foreign words never worked for you, this video will change everything. Here are smart, science-based tricks to grow your vocabulary without painful repetition. Your brain remembers context, not isolated words. So instead of learning apple, learn I'm buying a fresh apple. Add a picture and a simple story, and the word sticks automatically. Short, active uses equal long-term memory. Don't write essays, create tiny, spontaneous phrases. 5 quick variations can replace an entire hour of memorizing. Link vocabulary to actions you already do daily. When routines trigger practice automatically, language learning becomes effortless and consistent. Your brain absorbs patterns even when you're not focused. Hearing natural speech repeatedly wires vocabulary into long-term memory with almost zero effort. Gamification keeps motivation high. Celebrate every small win, stack daily challenges, and enjoy the process instead of forcing it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, QuickGuides, to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.